This is the video I'm going to be using. You can see the way it is, right? And we're going to eventually have this.
You know, one thing I love about YouTube channel is the...
Now you go over to Capcut. Let's bring in the video. This is the first video, right? Bring it in. There are two ways to this. You can either tap on this, okay, the clip, and then go over here, just search for adjust, and then you start adjusting, or you don't even select at all and then you go over to adjust. The reason is, the difference between the two is if you tap on the clip, every change is going to be made only on that selected clip, okay? But if you just adjust without tapping on the clip, whatever it is that you do is going to appear, it's going to appear underneath as a clip on its own, so you can adjust where you want that adjustment or color grading to be. Do you understand? So now let's start the adjustment. Okay, let me just delete this. Now what you do is to go over to adjust, right? Tap on adjust. Then you can see everything we have here: brightness, contrast, saturation, all of this. You can use all of this to make your video better. So let's start with brightness, like I would always start with, right? I'm just teaching you how I edit mine without using ring lights or whatever. So this is contrast. Let's come to my contrast. If I take it back, you see the way it is. So I feel once you just come over here and then just play around this, right, you're going to get this very well. Come to saturation, increase a bit. If you feel like decreasing, depending on what you want, you decrease. But here I'm increasing it a bit, just maybe to 5. My sharp one, I take it all the way up to 100. I love this one, HSL. Now one thing about HSL is anywhere you see these colors, it's going to enhance the colors. For example, here we have red. We have red cloth and all of that. So let me just come over here, and then it's going to also add some tint to my lips. Okay, so it's going to make my red redder, brighter, so to say. Then we'll come over here to, if you want to do anything with graphs, it's not compulsory, but just look, can you see? If you want to brighten or right, so I'm just saying, depending on just what you want to edit, okay, you can just try to play around it. So once you're done with that, if you feel like adding some highlights, no problem. If you feel like, it depends on just depends on what you want. Okay, you can decide to increase or decrease shadow, whatever it is that you want, right? Your white temperature, okay, it just depends on what you want. If you want to increase or you want to decrease, it just depends. Most times I don't like dragging it way more than 5 or 2 or 3 sometimes, okay, so that the effect will not be so intense. Then hue is the same as color, so it's going to just add some coloring to this. If you want to add a vignette to this to make your own stand out, or to make your picture the focus, you can add some vignette. You can add a white or a black vignette. Okay, so here I'm just adding a little vignette. I don't want any vignette anyways, so this is it. Then that's that about that. Okay, let me just move this so you can see the difference between this and this. Can you see the difference between this one and this one? That's not all. Okay, so another thing is you can then decide to come over here to filters. If you tap on filters, you can now go over to these ones, the ones that do not have pro on them, or even if you want to use the ones that have pro, you can use pro. I've taught you how you can get Capcut Pro for free to my channel, so you can check out the video. So you can come here to clear, you can increase or decrease on it. All right, okay, so just go to whichever one you feel would work for the video. Remember, this one is just based on this particular video that I am trying to edit. Okay, so it depends on your own video. Okay, so that's just it. If you want to remove every edit, you can come here to this circle that has a slash on it. Okay, you just tap and that's it. Okay, that's that about that. Okay, Now, one thing I also do to my videos is I come here, tap on this one now, and then go to my retouch. This is it. This is retouch. I'll just tap on it, then tap on face, and then go over here to smooth. I can just tap on smooth and then take it all the way to, sometimes I do just 20, so it's not too much. Okay, sometimes I just do 20, and you can click on apply to more if you have more than one clip there. Then sometimes I go over to white teeth, right, and then just increase a bit, maybe 40. Okay, apply to all if you have more than a clip. So that's that about that. So this is the first one, this is the second one. So you can see it adds some coloring to your video. Okay, so now I still don't want my backgrounds to be showing like this, right? I don't want my background to be like this. Now what I can do is to blur my background. I already have a video on my channel teaching you how you can blur your background too. I'm going to link it in the description box. Go ahead and watch that video. Okay, so this is how my video is going to look when I blur the background. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to check out the video on how to blur your background. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.